Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about acids. Let us write what is an acid. Here is a compound. It's a compound which when dissolved in water yields hydronium ion. Hydronium ion. Hydronium chemical formula is H3O plus and it is the only positive ion. The definition of an acid is an acid is a compound which when dissolved in water yields hydronium ion H3O plus as only positive ion. Let us know how this H3O plus came or hydronium ion came. We know that acid contains H plus ion. When this H plus ion reacts with water produce hydronium ion. Let us take an example. Let us take an example of HCl. HCl, the chemical name is HCl and the chemical name is hydrochloric acid. When HCl is broken down into simpler substances by electrolysis, it forms a substance like H plus ion plus Cl minus. And this HCl, when reacts with water, produce hydronium ion plus chlorine ion. When you see acid, the question may arise: how did the acid name come from? The acid name comes from Latin word acidus, ACIDUS, which means sour. Let us take some examples of acid in day-to-day life. We know that HCl is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. In vinegar, it is acetic acid. Acetic acid. That is, the formula of acetic acid is CH3 COOH. In orange, citric acid is found. The formula of citric acid is C6H8O7. In tartaric acid is found. Tartaric acid. The formula of tartaric acid is C4H6O6. In tomato, oxalic acid is found. The formula of oxalic acid is C2H2O4. In curd, lactic acid is found. The formula of lactic acid is C3H6O3. In ant sting, methanoic acid is found. The formula of methanoic acid is CH2O2. And sulfuric acid is H2SO4. These are the common acids we found in our day-to-day life. Let us found the characteristics of acid in chemically form. When metal reacts with dilute acid, it forms salt plus H2 and hydrogen. For an example, Zn plus H2SO4 equals ZnSO4 plus H2. Zn means zinc, H2SO4 means sulfuric acid, ZnSO4 means zinc sulfate, and H2 means hydrogen gas. Metal carbonate. Metal carbonate plus metal hydrogen carbonate. Hydrogen carbonate. Metal hydrogen carbonate is also called metal bicarbonate. Plus acid gives salt plus water plus CO2. For an example, CaCO3, calcium carbonate plus 2HCl, that gives CaCl2, calcium chloride plus water plus CO2. CO2 will evolve. The next part is metal oxide. Metal oxide plus acid gives salt and water plus water. So CuO plus twice of HCl gives CuCl2 plus H2O. CuO means copper oxide, HCl means hydrochloric acid, CuCl2 means copper chloride, and H2 means gas. Hope you understand this. Thank you.